Hi, I'm Sarah from You Floral, and I'm so excited you guys are DIYing your flowers with us. And you've come to the point now where you're wondering, how do I get these flowers from my house to the venue without them tipping over when I'm driving them in the car and water sloshing everywhere and flowers flying? So don't worry, I've got a couple tips for you guys in how to prevent that. So to create a carrier for your flowers that's not gonna topple everywhere, we need the box that the flowers actually came in. So this is one of our smaller size boxes. They can often be double the size. It kind of depends how many flowers that you order from us. And then you're gonna need an X-Acto knife. So I'm going to use this box to contain the vases of the flowers. And so I'm gonna take my X-Acto knife and I'm gonna cut an X in it. And once I create the X, it creates triangles that I can just push backwards. And then it creates a perfect opening that you can just stick the vase right in here. So I'm gonna take my flowers and just shove them in. And now you can see that there's no way that this is moving anywhere. I'm gonna stick this smaller one in the box as well. So I'm creating a X. You have to make the X pretty even or else it doesn't really open. The triangles don't open properly. And then put our vase in there. So this one here you can see has a little bit of slop to it, and so it could totally tip over in the car. So I'm going to now put rags or clothing just in here to keep it really sturdy in here. So this method works great for these sort of bigger vases, but if you have smaller things like bud vases, you're gonna need something that is a little bit more structured to hold them in place. So in that case, I would suggest something like using a Tupperware container or a box and then putting your bud vases in and wrapping them with any sort of material that will keep them from tipping. So newspaper, clothing, rags, towels, and just making sure they're packed really well because the last thing you want is them dumping over in the car. So hopefully that helps you guys have a couple tips to ensure your flowers are transported to your venue in the same condition that they left your house in. Thank you for watching and let me know if you have questions.